Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about changing the headlights, left headlights of Mercedes C300, guys. 5 minutes hack. Open the hood, guys. This is where you open the hood. The red over there. Pull that. Alright. And let's do quick, guys, because look at that. It's about to rain. Open the hood in the front. Open wide. Okay. So this one is the problem, guys. The left. Let's gonna start and see which one is not working. So making sure we change the right headlights. The belt is something. This one, guys. Look at this. This is working. This is a right one, guys, and it's working. So we're gonna replace this. Alright. My belt is loose now, so we're gonna turn it off. Alright. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. This is Sylvania. Make sure, guys, that's compatible with your car. Make sure that don't touch this lens. Okay, so this one. Alright, come on over here now. This is the ignition. In this video, guys, I'm gonna show you where is the 3 lights in the 3 caps. This is the headlights. One cap on the other side, guys, is high beam. In the middle, guys, is a low beam. And there's a small cap over there, guys. There. I don't know what that is. I have to go Google first. But in the middle, is that the one we're gonna fix, guys? We're gonna replace. So in order to open this one, guys, turn this clockwise over there. And then you can see the connector, guys. You see the connector here? You're just gonna pull this one, guys. Pull slowly. We're just gonna pull, guys. Pull. There you go. Set that aside over there. And then there's a pin there, guys. You have to push this pin in order to unhook until it's gonna come out from the hook. This is a little bit hard to remove. There you go. There it is. That's easy, guys. And then this one, guys, is the bulb. Pull it out to our outside, guys. There you go. And then you put a new one. And then the same thing. Put it back. This one is easy way, guys, to put it back. To change it. Just stick in the slot there. And then put this connector first. Okay. Then put the connector, guys. See this connector here? 2, and then you have to put it like that. Where it is. This one. Make sure that this connects in between two of the connector, guys. Alright, like a Lego. See this? Alright. Push the pin first. Push the pin inside first. And then there you go. Got it. I can't see, guys. It takes time, but you need to have patience to put it in. Alright, that's it. Just then pin it. Push it there. Make sure that it click, guys. There you go. It's click. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. And then put the cap. Don't forget to put the cap. Okay, guys. Let's try if it is working. Turn the car. Ignition on. Washer fluid is empty and I don't have no more lights in there, guys. Look, cleared. And this time, guys, I had the brighter, guys, and it's working now, guys. Look, both are working now, guys. Yay! Give me a thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Both are working. I don't want the cops to follow me at the back. Red, white, and blue stars over you. Mama said, Papa said, there's a cop behind you. Alright, guys, for BENZ C300. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.